Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we've got our weekly stamping collab and it was hosted by Judinka Nail Art. These are the manicures we've prepared and you can find links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. I started off applying this Believe Beauty nail polish on 3 nails. This one is called Kiss and Tell. And on these two I did a smushy mani using all 3 polishes. The red one is called Rouge Veritable. And this beautiful nude is called Girl Talk. I've taken out these 3 Ejiubas stamping plates to use some of the images, but I'm still not sure which ones I'm going to use, so I'll let you know in the description box which plate I ended up using. And the Ejiubas stamping plates have images on both sides of the plate. To begin, I'll use my white stamping polish from Maniology, which is called Bam White. Since I'm only going to be using small parts of the same image, I can apply polish directly in the small section, scrape off the excess, and pick up the image with the stamper. I can continue to follow these steps in different parts of the image until I'm satisfied with my design. If you're enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up to let me know. Now that I added some interest to the background, I'll use my black Maniology stamping polish, this one is called Straight Up Black, to do some black stamping. I've chosen this rose from the Ejiubas plus Sarah R1 plate. I use a piece of tape to remove the excess polish from my skin. For the other nail, I've chosen this rose. I continued to stamp until I was satisfied with the design. I'll seal in the design with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. When the matte top coat dries, the manicure is complete and I love the way it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you enjoy my content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. It's free. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up to let me know. That really helps out my channel.